Kanbanize allows you to handle even the most complex projects, products, strategic initiatives, or other large pieces of work in a single environment. With our platform, you can distribute and track work across multiple teams from a single management board. Let's go inside a management board. Here at the top workflow, you can visualize your portfolios of projects or initiatives. Then, use the Linked Workflows feature to track their execution across different teams by connecting the team boards to the management board. When you see everything at a glance, managing dependencies becomes much easier. Drag and drop an initiative into different team workflows and use parent-child relationship links to break it down into smaller pieces of work. This way, you will be able to create a high-level overview of your company's portfolios and always get real-time status updates of all moving parts. Moving to a team Kanban board, your team can see the work that you've just requested from the management board. Use the drag and drop function to break it down into individual work items. Once they are moved to In Progress, the team-level initiative will automatically start. At the same time, the highest level project or strategic initiative will also move to In Progress. Let's go back to your management board and open an initiative card. Inside, you can see different hierarchical levels of all its related team deliverables and work items. Find out the status of any work item and see if it's requested, in progress, or done. Kanbanize allows you to create initiatives that can represent projects, products, features, or any other large piece of work. Use the initiatives or timeline workflows to visualize them. To plan their duration, open an initiatives card where you will find the forecast feature. First, make sure your initiative is broken down into child work items. Based on your historical delivery rate and completed work items, the system will create a forecast. Use the primary and secondary dimensions to specify what criteria those past work items should meet. Moving to the advanced settings, use the Additional Cards field if you know that additional scope will be added to the initiative in the future. Also, if you checkmark the Keep Outliers box, the system will take into consideration the outliers in your process. Once you're done, run the simulation. The software will give you 4 different scenarios for the duration of all work items connected to the initiative. You can then use the information to adjust your plans as necessary. Let's move on and see how you can track your initiative status. In Kanbanize, this is automated. Let's take one of the initiatives on the timeline of a team board that has been broken down into individual work items. As they flow through the process, the percentage status of the initiative will automatically update. This ensures that your plan is always accurate and up to date. Use the Cards workflow to visualize individual work items and track their progress through the delivery process, from requested to done. To plan bigger pieces of work, use either initiatives or timeline workflows. With our Kanban cards, you can visualize different work information. Inside a card, you can set a deadline for a work item, size it appropriately, select a priority, for example, critical, apply custom fields to display unique information, and many more. You can also create to-do lists for your work items and track work-related communication in the comments section. Once you are done, all information will be visualized on your card. On the Kanban board, you can also apply different tokens to your work items. Use blockers to visualize flow impediments. Make use of stickers to mark your work items with certain labels. Kanbanize allows you to edit your workflow the way it fits your needs. You can add as many columns and subcolumns as you wish and easily rearrange them. To separate different types of work, you can create horizontal lanes. You can also create multiple workflows with different structures. Choose Cards Workflow to add another delivery workflow to your process. Go with the Timeline workflow for project planning. Well done! You've made your first steps into gaining visibility across projects, products, and portfolios with Kanbanize. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our support team or check out our knowledge base. Try Kanbanize for free now.